बाल हैं जो मेरे कटे हैं इतने सारे, मेरे को लगा था इतने कटेंगे और पता नहीं कितने 6 इंच ही कट गए। Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is very special, very exciting, and it's just all kinds of things because are you ready for it? I'm traveling to Ahmedabad. I'm going back to Ahmedabad. I'm leaving Gurgaon. I'm so happy. So let me give you guys a backstory. I have been living, like me and my grandparents, we've been living here ever since the lockdown started. We didn't have a chance to go back to Ahmedabad because borders seal ho gaye the. And it's kind of been difficult because we used to call the maid on and off. Ab to aa hi nahi rahe hain. So it was very difficult to like get the household work done, and then also like I can't drive, so I don't have a car. And so like in case of any emergency, I could not have driven my dadi or like myself anywhere. And also like groceries were a pain and like all of that. So my parents kind of wanted us to come back to Ahmedabad, and of course they didn't want us to fly. Like Papa did not want us to fly or get in contact with any potential high risk carrier. So they're actually driving down from Ahmedabad to Gurgaon. Right now they're actually on their way. They entered Rajasthan the last time I checked. तो वो लोग अहमदाबाद से गुड़गांव आएंगे. They'll reach here by 7:38, and then one day break. So 11th is going to be a break, and then 12th हम पांचों मतलब me, mom, dad, दादी दादू, all of us are going to drive back to Ahmedabad. So, आज का प्लान बहुत सिंपल है. पहले तो मैं पैकिंग करूंगी. आई हैव होल लिस्ट देयर कि मुझे क्या क्या पैक करना है. देन आई आल्सो हैव टू क्लीन माय रूम. इट्स वेरी मेसी, आई एम सॉरी. बट बिफोर दैट आई एम गोना स्टार्ट पैकिंग. आई एम गोना हैव 3 bags. One is going to be my trolley. One is going to be my makeup vanity because I'll have to film YouTube videos there. And one will be like my gadgets and camera equipment. So 3 bags, and yeah, hopefully उसमें काफी हो जाएगा. और हम कार में जा रहे हैं, so there's not going to be enough space. So my parents have specifically asked me to travel light, so I will try to do that. But yeah, let's get packing. So I'm now going to be packing my vanity bag. So this is something my Nalu got me, and it's actually so convenient because I'm going to be filming in Ahmedabad. I will need makeup and funnily, oh my god guys, when I opened this, I just found like makeup brushes and some kajals. Like I have been finding one of the slip liner that I used to love, and 2-3 eye brushes and kajal and a concealer. Like I found so much hiding in my vanity bag since I don't know when. Like I bought all of these new eyeshadow fluffy brushes and I thought I lost them or I forgot them at someone's house, but turns out all my kajals and all my concealer and like these things, all of this were in my bag since I don't know how many months. So I'm so glad I opened this. Now I'm just going to quickly pack some makeup and some skincare in this bag, so it's very convenient and compact. Alright, so this is my vanity bag. If you see, it's actually quite big. So when I open it, this has the space in which I've kept all the essential makeup that I need to like make one makeup look, and then I also have all my essential skincare. If you guys want, I can actually do what I carry in my vanity bag. This is usually the thing I carry every time I'm traveling. So let me know if you guys want that video. So this is how my luggage basically looks. I have one suitcase with all my clothes. Then here's my vanity and here's my tote bag. This tote bag basically has all my gadgets and my chargers. So it'll have both my laptops, my YouTube planning diary, then my chargers, my headphones, and my power bank and everything. So I have a lot of stuff, I know. My parents have specifically asked me to travel light, so I will try to do that. Hi guys, so it's around 9:30-10 right now, and I didn't vlog throughout the day because all of us were super busy. Like we spent most of the day just like talking and packing because we met after so long. So we were just like eating and talking and stuff. And then a lot of the part of the evening we just like spent packing and like loading the car with all the luggage. So right now I'm just gonna go to sleep. My parents have already slept in my room. I'm sleeping with my dadi, and we have to wake up around 3:30 and leave by 4:15, 4:30 max. So here's like the food we're carrying. Of course we won't be able to stop anywhere or eat anywhere, so we've made like 2 meals. So I'm going to be making sandwiches in the morning, and along with that Mama's made parathas, both plain and aloo parathas, to eat with roti sabzi, like sabzi. So tomorrow we're gonna have all the food in the car and possibly take 2 or 3 bio breaks, but like that's it. So that's our plan. And oh my god, I've made a dabba of popcorn because I'm downloading like Netflix shows and series, and I've charged my laptop. I'm also going to be charging my phone and everything. So मैं पीछे की सीट पे बैठ के Netflix देखूंगी और popcorn खाऊंगी. That's my plan. So I'm just gonna go sleep right now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. So we're all ready to go. I am in my PJs, and the car is now packed. I just have to quickly go and pee, after which we're gonna leave for Ahmedabad. So yeah, I'm not gonna vlog now because we're getting super late, but I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, and if at all there are any complications in the way, I will let you guys know. Hi guys, so it's 7:45 and I think we've crossed Jaipur. I'm not sure, but we reached Jaipur very early, like within 1.5 hours, which is very unlikely. Sometimes it just takes us 1.5 hours to go from like Gurgaon to Vasant Vihar. So that's funny, but I slept off and I just woke up and everyone's just like taking a bio break. So my parents and my grandparents are literally like, all of them needed to pee. I didn't, so I'm in the car and I'll show you bahar ka scene. So everyone's wearing like face masks and my father is wearing like a face shield. I don't know if you all can see. And they have like a bottle of IP and they're like sanitizing everything. My parents have come very prepared. They have steel ke plates and also steel ke glass for chai. Role reversal. Mama is going to drive now.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi, so I have asked my mother to cut my hair because it's been a while now since I got a haircut, and because अभी तो quarantine चल रहा है तो कोई बाहर नहीं जा रहा है, and my parents are very finicky, so I'm तो not going outside anywhere, especially to like parlors and stuff. So my hair has been looking extremely unhealthy. This is how long they are, and I've lost some weight and my face is finally the way I want it to be. So I feel like I will be able to carry short hair. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't trust myself with scissors and stuff. So I've asked my mother to do it and I'm going to film it for you guys to see. तो अभी मेरे बाल इतने हैं और मुझे at least इतने काटने हैं. तो वो मेरी मम्मा काटेंगी and let's see how it goes. देखो मैं यहाँ तक काट लूँ. Yes. थोड़ा नीचे. अरे चल नहीं. थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा नीचे. थोड़ा सा नीचे. हाँ मैं और ऊपर कर दूँगी, नहीं तो फिर ज़्यादा बोलेंगी तो. अरे don't make me regret this decision, मम्मा. Uneven. Oh shit! Oh shit! अभी काटूंगी.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
अभी काटूंगी अभी. 1 मिनट में कुछ अभी. Oh shit! जान दे. मम्मा अपने बहुत छोटे काट दिए यार. 1 मिनट साइड पे पहले मुझे बाल इकट्ठे. बाल इकट्ठे कर. तो मुझे ट्रिम चाहिए थी और मम्मा ने सारे बाल काट दिए. She looks so good. And I thought मम्मा ने मेरे को बोला था कि यहाँ तक काट रही हूँ मम्मा बाल. मैं यहाँ तक काट रही हूँ. पर पता नहीं यहाँ कैसे आ गए।
तूने ऐसे कर दिया होगा,
मेरी कैसे करती होगी?
तूने ऐसे कर दिया पीछे को।
वाओ, अब मेरे बाल बहुत ज्यादा छोटे हो गए एंड आई डिड not expect them to be this short, but they look okay. Like I don't look bad, but I also don't look very good. Like this is not what I expected, but it's nice.
She looks very good. Kiss them, baby. Kiss them. Kiss them, baby. I'll give you a kiss.
Alright guys, now here's an update for you. So I decided to give myself at least 30-40 minutes to get accustomed to my haircut, and I feel like the first time I saw my haircut I didn't like it too much because I wasn't really used to having short hair, and it's been a long time since I've cut my hair this short. But now that I gave myself to like some time to get accustomed, I actually quite like it because like my hair had actually become super unhealthy and they used to look really thin and really weird. But now that I've cut them, all the unhealthy bits of my hair is gone, so they actually look pretty dope now. So I'm gonna go and tell my mom also that I'm actually quite liking my haircut. I think I look nice. Let me know what you guys think. So I just sat down to edit this very vlog that you guys are seeing right now, and I realized that I didn't outro nahi ki. So this is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys loved this vlog and enjoyed it. I tried to make it as fun and as funny as possible. So if you guys like this vlog, please go ahead and leave a like, smash the like button, and also leave a comment down below telling me what you guys think of my new hair. I absolutely love them. Or just leave any comment down below. Your comments really make my day, and I love interacting with you guys in the comments. So make sure you leave a comment, even if it's just an emoji. I will reply back with another emoji. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also have hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye.